Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. We do a quick middle of the day update. Bitcoin hasn't moved much, but it has reached actually the 38.2 retracement level of the B wave. No, actually it's the retracement of the A wave. Yeah, one of the first targets actually for a B wave. So we're going to take a look at that now. Is it likely that the B wave is already finished or not? At the moment it's too early to say that. I would like to see a stronger B wave, but we'll see. The idea is obviously, and just a quick look at the bigger picture, that we are currently coming down in a wave 2. The A wave was completed in this region as anticipated. I think we're now in the B wave. That's pretty much confirmed. It was confirmed already earlier today because we broke above the A wave high. Yeah, and I think we're dealing with this A, B, C. And from here, somewhere in this region, we need to look forward to a drop down in C. However, we have now a situation in which I'm already starting to look for a possibility that the C wave is happening. It's too early to confirm, and I would prefer a deeper B wave, a stronger B wave. But we have fulfilled a few minimum requirements for a B wave, so I'm going to talk about that. Just a warning again, B waves, even though we expect them to go higher, they are very hard to trade, very difficult. Don't expect them to be very short. Don't expect them to be too long. Don't complain if it suddenly goes, I don't know, to 32K, yeah, because that's what B waves do. It is just what it is. And I can't change that situation. I want you, and I can't do really more. So you need to be aware that B waves can act in a very unpredictable way. But sometimes they work out nicely. Yeah, sometimes they work really well, and sometimes they can really be forecasted well. I just always want to warn people, if we get to a B wave that is of a substantial size or of a substantial wave degree, of a relevant one, then I need to highlight a few things which I've done over the last few days. So yeah, if the A wave completed, we're now looking here at a 3-wave move up in a B wave. That is only a corrective rally. And from here we should head down in the C wave. So let's zoom in into this B wave. The idea is that, yeah, price obviously bottomed here on the 18th of July, on Tuesday, and we moved up in an A wave. Here the B wave was probably a triangle, and it broke to the upside, and we could now be working on the C wave. So C wave of B, okay? And the B wave has a few fib levels that it often, reacts to. So 38.2 fib level, I didn't show that, but I did now because we reacted to it. And in the end, this is more like resistance than really a target. And so it doesn't necessarily need to get to the 50% fib level, but it should do. 38.2 fib level, however, is a first level where B wave can react. We see it sometimes. It would be very short though. And I would prefer a deeper and stronger B wave. However, this was the first level where basically a B wave could be complete. So I'm watching from now. All right, can we come down lower? Especially as if I take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave. Let's just double check that. Depends on where I measure the low. Yeah? If I measure the low here, on the 19th of July, then we have reacted to the 1-to-1 ratio. Okay. So that's something interesting, and maybe the idea was wrong, that this is not a triangle count, but maybe the B wave ended here, yeah, and then that might work out better, because you need to go by the fibs. If the fibs tell me, okay, we have the 100% ratio here, and we show a reaction. I mean, it doesn't mean it needs to come down from here, but it reacts to it. So maybe the B wave ended here on the Wednesday low, and we're now moving higher in the C wave. Still would like to go higher. I mean, again, I showed you just the 1-to-1 ratio. But what would be the next target? The next one would be the 1.618 extension, 30,822. It's just a level to watch. Doesn't mean we have to get there, but it's a level to watch. As you can see, the 1-to-1 ratio was also here important. They're just common levels where you normally see a C wave react to. But before we get to 30,822, there is one more level, which is 30,690. And I cannot confirm to you at this stage that we are already coming down. I think, again, we should move higher, but we have a 3-wave move complete or nearly complete. I think one more high would look good on this one. Looking at it, yeah, at least one more high would look good. And then we also get a clearer B wave. And then if we come down, what really needs to happen is a break of this small B wave low to confirm that we are in the C wave, and that would be around 29,760. So that's what I'm watching for. Short term, still upside. Then a move down. I will scale into the C wave further, and I would hope for a reaction at one of these fib levels. It really depends now on how high does the B wave go to calculate a target for the C wave. And that might also be an interesting short trade. Yeah. Now, I'm not telling you go short now because I have no indication for a top. Typically, as per Elliott Wave, what we do is we're waiting for the first 5-wave move down, which was the A wave. We're waiting for a 3-wave pullback to complete. And then we're watching for the first 1-2 setup in the C wave where a short could take place. That's a high reliability setup. So basically the C wave consists of 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a pullback in wave 2 with a stop above the B wave top, or even a stop above this level, but then depends on how high we go, right? Then the position size needs to be small. That is a decent short setup. Ideally with a stop above the B wave top. Yeah, that would be too far away up here. So it would need to be, right, let's say we go higher here somewhere. Let's say we react to the golden ratio, not doing anything. Waiting for the first 5 down, waiting for, well, you don't need to wait then anymore, but you can just enter a short with a stop here. That's sort of how Elliott Wave short trades would work out. And then you can short the 3rd wave of the C wave, take some profits along the way. Yeah, that's at least a setup. I'm not telling you to do it, it's just a setup. Yeah, that's what I'm watching for. Maybe I'll also enter one. I'm so annoyed. I did enter one here. And then because it was so choppy, I just closed it at break even. I should have left it open, but it wasn't much in there anyway. That at least it got out break even. So I'm watching for another possible short trade from here. While we go down, I will at the same time scale in though, just a different account to trade the range basically. Yeah. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.